Hey everybody, well, pretty excited about this. After a year and a half of having this new shop, we're finally going to fix the woodworking area back here. Probably going to take 3 to 6 months depending on how farm tours go, but pretty excited about it. So first up, run all the electrical back at this wall. Then we'll put the wall up, followed up with a miter saw bench, cabinets up top, and an outfeed table for the table saw. So lots going on. Hoping to have build plans for at least the miter saw table and outfeed table. But we'll see how it goes. All right, guys, let's get to it.